Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 8. Simplify root 5 multiplied by root 147 minus root 12 in brackets all over root 15. Now, we have to simplify this. So this is equals to root 5 into, now root 147. 147 can be seen as, we have to express it now as a product of a perfect square and another number. Now a perfect square of which is a product of 147 is 49. 49 multiplied by 3 will give us 147. So we can see 147, that is now 49 multiplied by 3, root 49 multiplied by 3, then minus also 12 will be what? Root 4 multiplied by 3, because 4 also is a perfect square, all over root 15, all over root 15. Now this is equal to root 5 multiplied by, okay, let me come down here because of space. This is equals to root 5 into root 49 multiplied by root 3, then minus root 4 multiplied by root 3, then all over root. Now let's express root 15 as 5 multiplied by 3. So this is equal to root 5 into root 49 will give us 7 root 3 minus root 4 will give us 2 multiplied by root 3, then all over root 5 multiplied by root 3. Now this is equal to root 5 into, now 7 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will give us what? 5 root 3 all over root 5 multiplied by root 3. Now root 5 will cancel root 5, so this is equals to 5 root 3 all over root 3, and root 3 will cancel root 3, so we are left with what? 5, and that is option C. So 5 is the answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.